Hello again, Joey. Okay, the house has been painted, fittings are in, door handles are on, tiling's being done at the moment. There we go. There we go. All on the shower wall. They missed a bit there because it's going to go in. Niche in the wall is what they call it. No toilet in there yet, obviously. Door.
Yeah, I do.
There's tiles that'll go down
Thanks, Mummy.
from here right down there through to the kitchen. Tiles go over there. Tiles will go all through there. Right up to about here. Which goes up to about there. The rest should be all carpet. Let's see if they've done the hole in the guest room yet. No, still there. All the lightings are in and the ducting, the cooling. Okay. Some more tiling down for the last toilet. Doors are on. Light switches are in. The neighbour's house is going up now. We've got a lot bigger backyard, but we've got a lot bigger front yard. So that's our backyard. As opposed to theirs. Bit of difference. And now that there's light in there, show you the pantry. Open the doors, turn the light on. Here we go, this is our pantry. Couldn't see it before because it was too dark. So it's a fair size. Oops. To the front door.